open them yet. I'm actually gonna open them with you guys. So I got this big old Amazon box and we're gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is the Conair Xtreme Instant Heat roller set. So it actually comes with a whole row of clips. There are 12 rollers total. So they come like this. These are the rollers. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug these in and heat them up and I will be right back. Okay, so I just plugged it in maybe like 10 seconds ago and it's starting to smoke. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to look in the viewfinder if you guys can see, but there's smoke coming out of it and it smells like it's burning. I don't know if that's normal. I'm just gonna wait it out and see. Yeah, it smells really bad. I took out all the cardboard and stuff. I don't know, I think that might be normal, but let's see. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since I've turned on the rollers and they are pretty hot, so I think I can go ahead and get started. Well, I'm gonna section my hair. I'm basically taking this bottom section and I'm going to split it in half. They are pretty hot and I'm actually going to start kind of rolling it and roll it upwards because I feel like that's what's gonna give a really pretty bounce. And just clip. Now let's do this one. I'm gonna take another smaller one and do the same exact thing. Roll it upwards. They are hot. They're not unbearably hot, which is good. Grab the clip and do it. Cool, we got this side. Okay, I did both sides and I will say it's hard to kind of get it to stay up. Like the clips aren't the best at doing that. I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray and just kind of lightly spray it. I don't even know if it's gonna touch it or not, but just for my well-being. Okay, see, oh, it's falling again. I don't understand why it would fall like that. Okay, that's fine, as long as it's holding like for the bottom, that's all I kind of care about. All right, now we're gonna do the middle section. So we have our middle section, and what I'm thinking is I'm gonna use 2 big rollers here, and then the other 2 small ones here, and then 2 big ones up here. So I'm gonna take a bigger roller. I kind of have to like claw the clip in. Progress. We have 2/3 of our hair done. Now I'm going to use the last 2 big rollers and put it at the top. So I'm taking my bangs and I'm taking one of the hot rollers. I'm going to roll my bangs. I'm going to roll them upwards. I'm just going to pin it up. Ah, it looks so cute, right? I know. Okay, so we have the rollers in and I just realized I have lipstick on my teeth, so that's cute. I'm gonna keep them in for about an hour or so and then I will come back, open them up, and show you guys the final results. All right, I am back and it's been about an hour or so, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Fingers crossed that it looks pretty decent. Oh, that's a pretty one, that's a pretty one. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, okay. I like the direction this is going. I'm happy, I'm happy. Actually going to just kind of shake it out a little bit. All right, moment of truth. It looks so pretty. It looks like I just went and got a blowout. I love the way that it looks. Oh my God. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it turned out. One thing I think I would do a little bit differently is actually alternate the way that I put in the rollers. So all of the rollers, I ended up rolling them upwards, but I think I would do it kind of different directions just so there's a little bit more like volume and body in my hair. But even just doing it this way, it turned out really, really pretty. It literally looks like I went and got a blowout, which is amazing. It's sometimes so hard to get this at home, but I'm gonna continue to use these because my hair looks so good. But if you guys are interested in the Conair hot rollers, I'm gonna go ahead and link them down below. I just got them off Amazon and they were Prime, which is even better. And like I said, it comes with the little clips as well. So before we end this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys wanna see next. I love trying out new products, so if you guys have any new products you guys want me to try or any of your favorites, let me know down below and I will gladly try them out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.